Hello everyone, welcome to Solve to Sky, and in this video we are going to connect MySQL with Python. So before that I would say that you have to see these two videos if you haven't seen it, and install Termux for this video work. Now in this video first we have to see how many tables we have. Let's see. We have three tables: movie, rating and reviewer, and we are going to deal with Python in between three tables. So let's move on to Python, and this is our Pydroid app, and I have written code already in there, that connector thing. Now in this table I will show you this is seventh line is our main line which connects, and in line 11 if so there is written show tables. This portion of command is executed in our Termux or MySQL. So if you run this, see that same data, that same tables we have seen in that is being displayed here in the Python. That is, we have successfully connected Python with MySQL. I will make you sure that the source code is available. Let's change this code and write select a table, select all from movie. So writing movie, then we will see the complete movie table that is already been created in the MySQL, and all the task is doing. As you can see, this is our movie table. Try to remember it, and now let's see is it true or not. We write the same command but in the MySQL form. Select all from movie, that is our first table actually. So if we enter, see the same table is all displayed here with the same data. So that implies that we are successfully connected to the MySQL with Python. So this connector thing is seems complicated when it comes to phone. It's all the task is done on phone, so we can easily say that successful. One more thing I would like to mention here, that this command and this program runs only show things like selecting tables, not creating or putting values in the tables. So thank you for watching. That's it for this now. Do like, share and subscribe.